Can you get more in the camera?
I'm thinking of, okay, so I might do a different design. Okay, so you know I
Get
need,
more in the camera.
fuck off. Okay.
You fuck off. That's so rude.
Well, you can fucking hold it.
I didn't want to hold it.
Okay, so like let's say this, right? It's gonna go to the wheel and to the car, like the chassis of the car, right? That's the like knuckles where the wheels is. So this one's gonna go to the other one.
Wait. Hold on. Are you making your angle kit?
Yeah.
Oh, you should have said that first.
What do you think I'm bending this for?
Well, they don't know what the fuck you're doing.
Anyways.
Okay, so he's making his angle kit, guys. And this is what he's...
This one's gonna go to this chassis, and I'm gonna cut another one like this. Like a little tube go like this, attached to the car. This one's gonna go to the other one. So...
Perfect.
So like, let's say like that, right? So
Yeah.
This one like that. So,
Seriously, Poochie, get out of the video. Poochie, you wanna come sit with me? Come. She's going in the bedroom. Yeah, whatever. Oh.
So I'm thinking making it go more like that, and then make another bend to go more like that. So it'll be another bend like that, go more in the middle like that. Like another bend here, go there, and then make another one here.
Okay. Well, you know, if this doesn't work out, we can always get that small bars, right? The bars you got.
Yeah.
Were those the ones that we had a hard time getting, or was the other ones?
All of mine are hard to get, I'm pretty much sure. Every time I ask for some, they always get me to go to Toronto.
Oh yeah. But I thought they were the other bars for the smash and the smash bars and the roll cage bars were harder to get. I think these ones are pretty easy. I don't know.
So let's go with this. It's just a kind of a heart. I'm just doing it just to see how I should bend it.
Do you have any more small bars, or is that it? Oh, you have another one.
More.
Yeah, I was just gonna say.
Well, I need one bar and then use those to bend, and I'm like this just to make another one.
But you have another 10-footer, right? Yeah. Okay. Just making sure. If anybody when Rick's done this angle kit, if anybody wants an angle kit, we can make you one. Well, Rick can make you one. And I can sit there and watch.
I still have another piece over here that bolts on to the bearing and shit. It's like 4 bolts, and then it connects to there. Goes all the way down to connect this and the tire rod. And then I have to cut my knuckle so I can make a new one for these to go on.
I'm so confused.
I was thinking maybe use this like that and bend this into like almost a 90-degree turn, and then cut this in half, right? And then I'll end up going like this in half, so I can like stick it right against it and weld it on there, so this will be like thicker. You know what I mean? So it's like this bar turns into here,
Yeah.
and then I'm gonna weld half of this on there, like cut it out half, and then join them together and weld it on together so it's like really thick.
And this will give you more angle.
Well, not that, but what I'm doing is just when the wheel turns like a lot, like usually there's like a control arm that goes like this to the wheel. So if your wheel turns a lot, you can only go so much or it's gonna hit it.
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm doing, I'm taking this bar that's supposed to be here and bent it, and then connect it to this one, so it's out of the way. So you can get like 60-degree angle, so like your wheels are like this, instead of like turning like that. It'll be like this.
So you will get more angle in your wheel.
Yeah, like double.
Then why? That's what I asked you, and you said, and you went on with a story.
Because you don't even know what I'm doing.
Yeah, I do.
Anyways.
I do so.
So yeah, so that vent's pretty good. And you get at least like 45 degrees. So.
Do you want a bigger ruler?
No.
Okay.
This one tells me all the degrees on it. So after I do like a thing, you can just put it, I have a line right here from the metal. You put it up against, make sure it's straight, and then you can see like your degree that you bent.
Good job. You're doing good at explaining. I like it.
Oh, whatever, man.
Remember we had that talk? I like it.
Whatever.